What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So today I'm going to be showing you this awesome tool. You can use either a free version or a paid version. Now the paid version is $10 a month. However, it is much better to use because it's going to help you both with giveaways in the future and building a very big subscriber list. So the reason that I'm showing you guys this tool, I created a video on this I think months back. But this tool, it's literally like a email autoresponder. However, if you think about it, this is a Facebook Messenger bot. So when people go on Facebook, people are more likely to open up their Facebook Messenger messages than they are their emails that people send out to them. So this tool is going to be amazing, especially when you start launching your product or when you're just trying to get reviews for your product. So one common misconception that a lot of people have with this is that that they can launch their product using the coupon codes, and through those same people ask them for reviews. You do not want to do that. You do not want to ask people that you gave coupon codes out for reviews. It is something that is very against TOS on Amazon, and if you do that, you can get your account taken down or all your reviews wiped. So we don't want to do that. The main way that we want to get these reviews is by simply advertising on Facebook, doing Facebook ads. And I've created different videos on this. I can create more videos on this if you'd like, but I can show you guys on how to do detailed targeting for your specific product niche in order to target the right customers and basically get those sales. It's not that hard, but at the same time, when you're trying to grow your business and when you start getting your product and it starts hitting the ground running, that's when you want to start running your Facebook ads to start getting a little bit more reviews down the road. So this isn't really a tool that you can get initial reviews with, especially if you're on a time constraint or if you're on a budget. However, like I said, down the road it's going to help you a lot because you're going to help. When people actually click on your ad on Facebook, it literally adds them to the subscriber list. Like it's basically like a email list that you're gaining, and it's much more easier because people nowadays, especially on Amazon, they've unsubscribed to the receiving emails from sellers. But from this, of course, when people click on your ad, they automatically become subscribed and become a part of your list. So this is a very useful tool. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the basics of this. But just make sure you guys tell me down below in the comment section if you want to see more of it. But the first thing, it is a $10 a month tool. It's not that expensive. So once you get on the site, this automatically connects to any Facebook page that you have. So you can go ahead and create a new growth tool. Oh, whoops. All right, let's go ahead and just click on one that we're using now. I forgot I'm using this account. So, all right, so let's go ahead and then we can edit this. So how this works is when you go on Facebook, when you're using Facebook ads, right, there is going to be a JSON tool, which means you're going to be able to connect this specific messenger to the Facebook ad. And it's very, very easy to do. I can create a video on this, but you guys just got to let me know. But once you connect it to your Facebook ad, it's going to be very, very useful because once they connect to it, when people click on your ad, all these messages are automatically going to be sent to them. It's just like an email autoresponder, except you're using it through Facebook Messenger. And another great thing about this is that these messages don't go over to Amazon, so you have a less likely chance of saying something wrong or getting caught for review manipulation using this tool. And so later down the road, if people decide to purchase your product and you wait like 10 days or so and you ask them for a review, Amazon's not going to know anything about this because this is strictly a Facebook Messenger tool. So like I said, you could start out, if you're running a full price ad, be like, hey, you can get these, I don't know, let's just say anglizer rulers, right? We target down the construction niche, or people that like to do house projects, or people that like Lowe's or Home Depot or have tool kits, all this other stuff. We target all those people greatly. And then we're finally ready to make these messages. So the first thing that we can do now, if you don't want to run a giveaway first, that's fine. But what you can do is if somebody clicks on your ad, they're like, hey, I'm interested in this product. You'd be like, hey, and then you can literally add people's names, I believe. So let me see here. So hey, first name, we saw that you were interested in our angleizer ruler. I'm not sure if I even spelled that right. And then once they click on it, now of course what they can do is literally them click on the ad, and then of course them go straight to the Amazon listing. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are like, why don't you just do that instead? However, by doing that, you're not gaining them as a subscriber. In order to get them as a subscriber, they need to click on the ad that's specifically connected to this ManyChat JSON tool, and then from there they actually become a subscriber down the road. So you can remarket to them and ask them for reviews, and then ask them, you know, if they want a coupon code down later in the road. It's a very useful tool. Like I said, it's very good because you're going to be able to build a brand off of Amazon, and also it's going to be very useful to get reviews. So we said we saw that you were interested in our angleizer ruler. We hope that you you like to see a video of our product in use. So if you guys don't want to send them directly to the product page, that's fine. But like I said, you can use this tool for so many things. Like you can, if you ask them, would you like to see a video for a product in use? You can really send them to a landing page that shows the product in use. It shows like a review of the product and stuff. And the reason that would be very useful is because using Facebook, there's something called a pixel, and when you put that pixel on the landing page of that you send them through this ad, they're gonna be able to go on that page, and that pixel actually tracks that person. So once you build enough lists on the on your Facebook ad account, you're going to be able to target those exact same people that land on that page. And if you think about it, those exact people that click on the link to the video and the specific message that you send them, they're going to be more targeted. They're going to be more valuable to you as customers than these people are that are simply just clicking on your ad, if that makes sense. So you guys can do that. Now, I know a lot of you guys are starting out. You probably just want to get, you know, if you got your product running already, you just want to get reviews as you go. But what you guys can do, you can just take out all this stuff and just be like, hey, we saw that you're interested in our angleizer ruler. You know, here's a link to our product, and then maybe you can put the link here. There we go. And then you can just put the link to your product page. So there's a lot of different ways that you guys can do this. It's really, there's not like no set in stone way you guys can just use this tool. You guys really just have to play around with it to see what really works for your product and for what you're doing now, and what stage of you know, whether you're doing your product launch or you've already done your launch, you're doing well, you're just trying to get reviews. It just really depends on what you guys want to do. And then from there, you know, if they and once you do a giveaway like what I did for this specific tool, I use this as a giveaway tool. So what you guys can do is connect this to your Seller Central account. Well, not connected to your seller. There's another tool that you guys need to use. It's called Supplier. If you want to do product giveaways for, you know, discount codes and stuff, which is something that doesn't work as much as it used to, but it still does work when it comes to ranking. It's just not as much. But you can connect this to your Zapier account, and by using that tool, you're going to be able to get these coupon codes that you get off of your Amazon Seller Central account, connect it to Zapier, and then you just put them all in a Google, Google Sheets data page, and then you connect that to here. And then how it works is by setting up the Zapier account, it's going to randomize the different coupon codes and then send them out when people click on your ad. And if you guys don't know this, I literally was able to do a giveaway for $25. Of course, that's not including all the different product costs, but $25 compared to $300 or $400 with all these different launch services like Viral Launch or ZonJump, with the running risk of getting hijackers from these launch services. This helped me out a lot, and I would definitely highly suggest you guys use ManyChat as your product launch service, I guess you could say, because if your targeting is very good, then you're going to be able to do that. So usually the template that I use is, hey, are you interested in a 95% off coupon code? And guys, honestly, if you're doing these giveaways, make sure you're doing 95% off, at least all the way up to 99% off, because you're not going to be able to give away enough units if you just simply run 90% off. People want to get the biggest discount that they can and spend the least amount of money and get the most value out of that. So just do 97 to 99% off. That's what I would do. If you want to get the best results, just do that for your giveaways. But after you do that, then all people do, they click yes, I am, and then from there you would send them another message, and then let me see here. So I don't have this connected right now because this is a different account, but once you send them that, you'd be like, are you interested in 95% off coupon code? And then they'll say yes, I am, and then you should be like, awesome, here is your code. Just copy and paste it into upon purchase. Alright, so from here, what we're going to do is we can go ahead and add, let me see, add a button. So once they go here, they can go ahead and click on the website, and then how this tool works is it'll generate a coupon code when it's connected to the Zapier account. However, all you guys need to do, how do you get rid of this? Okay. So this will go straight to the website, and then from there, what you guys need to do is add another message on here. And once you send the next message, that's going to be the coupon code. And then you have to set all that up through Zapier and everything, but I'm not going to go over it all in this one video because I don't want to bore you guys to death. But you guys just got to let me know down in the description if you want that to be set up for you, because I will have a video up for you guys if you want me to show you how to do it. But it is a very, very useful tool. So yes, I am awesome. Here's your coupon code. Just copy and paste it upon purchase. And basically how it works is, where is that thing? So usually what people do is when they're it takes a little bit of time for the coupon code to generate and for Zapier to go over and fetch it. So a lot of people, they just put a delay here of like anywhere from 3 to 8 seconds, and that just gives the time, makes it look like to the actual customer that it's just typing instead of just trying to fetch that specific coupon code. So once you give it to them, they're going to be able to enter it in really easily on Amazon, and then they're going to be able to purchase it. So a lot of people in here, I haven't encountered any hijackers on Facebook. Most of them are just people that are looking for good deals and stuff on the site. So that is something that you guys, because a lot of people don't know about the tool. A lot of people know about Viral Launch. A lot of people know about ZonJump. So that's just something that you got to watch out for. So with all that being said, guys, hopefully you got some value out of this video on this amazing tool. You guys should just get it and play around with it and see what you can do with it. Just let me know down in the comment section if you want me to create a more in-depth video about it. But make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I do have templates down below in the description that you guys can be using to your advantage when it comes to talking to suppliers, and also when you're creating your product description and your bullet points. So with all that being said, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.